Parenting is not about being perfect, it's about building connection because strong kids are not born, they are raised at home. And today I'm sharing 5 golden parenting tips that can change the way your child grows, learns, and feel about themselves. Stay till the end because the last one is the most powerful one. If you want your child to become a confident, kind, and happy human being, you don't need to buy expensive toy, perfect routines, endless rules. What really matter is how you show up them every day. And 5 tips I'm about to share are not complicated but make all the difference. I love to know which one connects you the most and drop it that tip in the comment section. Tip 1, let them struggle a little. As a parent, our first instinct is to protect our children from every difficulty. But here's the truth, when you solve every problem for them, you are taking away their chance to grow. A little struggle build resilience. So next time your child is figuring out a puzzle, try shoelaces, dealing with small fight with a friend, pause before you stop it. Cheer them, but let them try. That's how confidence is born. Tip 2, listen more than you lecture. When your child comes to you upset, excited, they don't always need advice. They need ears. A child who feel heard grow into adult which has empathy. Try saying, tell me more. How did that make you feel? This small shift makes them feel valued, respected, safe to share anything with you. Now, tip 3, encourage curiosity. Every why your child asks isn't an annoyance, it's doorway to learning. Instead of shutting them down with, because I said so, invite curiosity, look things up together, explore nature, even admit their answer. Curiosity fuels creativity, intelligence, and kids who ask questions today become the innovator and tomorrow leaders. Tip 4, love without confidence. Too many children grow up feeling they are only worthy of love when they perform, when they get good grades, win they medals, behave perfectly. But real confidence comes from knowing they are loved. They are loved simply for themselves. So tell your child, I love you, not because of what you do, but because you are what they actually need. That unconditional love is not about success and failure, it's about them. Tip 5, be the role model. Kids don't do what we say, they do what we show. If you want your child to be kind, show kindness. If you want them to handle anger calmly, demonstrate calmness. Your action speaks louder than your words. Remember, parenting is not about lecture, it's living example. Parenting does not need to be perfect. It just need to be real, consistent, and full of connection. So here are your 5 parenting tips again. Let them struggle a little. Listen more than you lecture. Encourage curiosity. Love without condition, and be 5 their role model. Save this video, subscribe, and share with every parent you know, because raising strong kids does not start with schools or society. It starts with us at home.